Hi, last video we mentioned Nasdaq. If they drop below this black line, basically they will try to touch this green line. So this is one green zone. So we can play buy low, sell high here, as long as we are within this green range. But something new has happened. Maybe it show there is a good opportunity for us to add. But again, this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend you any trade here. So now we only show you the insight from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset, help you learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. So now we look at Nasdaq. This is daily chart. Before I mentioned this green zone, and now it did follow our play to go below this red line. So now they're going toward this green line. I also give you the time prediction when they will touch this green. So watch that video. Something with my indicator. You see this free line. This purple line is the long-term trend line. This is regular term. The blue line is regular. The short term is the red one. Okay. And we have been quite frustrating. Why? Because the blue become frustrating, and actually we kind of below the blue right now. So this market is weak and we are below this purple line. Below this purple line. Okay, so and the purple become flat. That's why it's fluctuating like this. So the next thing is I want to show you something. This indicator called YM chip entry. You can see this green candle. When this green candle occur, basically it show you the low, relative low in that area. Why? Because institution come to buy. Only one green candle cannot tell us this is the exact buy point, but we know we start to enter the cost area, which is the cost of the institution. So this is a very good sign. We can buy low. Okay. So now let's see, can this green line form a support here, like the previous one? And this one would be quite a good buy point here. And so far, we don't have any buy signal because the red is going downward. We're still under the red. And remember, even green show the institution come in. As long as the blue is not yet going upward, this is still a rebound. So something you need to be careful. So if we look back the daily chart, you can see we are bouncing within this zone. This zone is quite high price. It's not like low price. So look at here, very similar here. So they're bouncing in the relative high price. They drop, right? When they drop, institution will come in, but it will take a while for institution to take the stock from the market. So as long as the blue is going downward, we are just catching the rebounds here. Okay. And they continue to drop to form a ABC, and then they go above. If we look at another of my indicator called YM up down, you can see more clearly where is the down, because when they show the up, basically they tell you the extra bonus indicator to tell you, hey, this is the up market, the beginning until here. They show a down here. Okay. And now we have a down. So something you need to be a bit careful. Hey, maybe we're forming something like this. Many times, many videos, I show you how the 2026 would be, because 2026 can be quite frustrating. So something you need to be aware. How many percentage should you keep in stock, or should you keep more cash? So something you need to be a bit more careful. It's not like this market. Okay? 226 maybe form something like previously, like here, and then they have another drop or sideways to give the opportunity to the institution to buy in. Okay, now already have one green candle. So let's see how it play. The very safe strategy to buy is to wait the blue go upward. Okay, but some people will say, oh, but it's too late. I want to buy lower. If you want to buy lower, check out the up down indicator plus YM chip entry to tell you institution come in. And when they go above the red and red change direction, you add your first position. Again, we are not gambler. We don't do 100% all in. Okay, you don't need to do that here. We can add your first lot here and add another lot when you go above the blue. You add the third lot when the blue change the direction. So this is safe, okay? Every time when they come back to this blue area, it's like a magnet, and this provide us a safe area to buy the stock. Okay, so this is the update today. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Oh, let's have a look of the Tesla as well. I haven't uploaded the video recently. So if you look at Tesla today is 408.38. So I told you before I think they will go about around 400, right? So we don't have any buy signal yet, and you see we have a bunch of institution coming in. Why there's no buy signal? The first thing is, let's say if you don't have my indicator, something you need to be a bit aware is this green, this purple gap already dropped below. So right now, this purple gap is a resistance. Okay, so now we drop below, we're going to the next support area, which is around this area, this bottom. Okay, and we have institution coming. We don't have buy signal. Why? Because we not yet go above the red, right? And the money is still weak. We need to be strong. Although they have institution coming in, we will still wait because this can last for a while. Okay, we want to buy at the beginning of the bull market, and we want to buy with lower risk. So this is the purpose I make this indicator for you guys. So click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Again, don't buy too much. You learn before you buy. Okay, see you next time. Bye.